Lockie also has a whole bunch.
Except she got goddamn what? Maddie!
Oh, it tasted like pumpkin this time. Oh, it tasted nice.
So
Fine, I want to try
no,
something.
go ahead. Everyone's have
Are you just
one.
going to put the chicken
not
soup
taste
into
good.
there?
Yep. And mix it all together pretty much
I like
to beef it up.
We've got
There's
15
the fact
serves
that they
per
can't
dinner.
make
some degenerates.
Sounds like a lot. We don't have as many people.
Don't. No, we don't.
We don't have as
10.
many people because 3 are lost.
Make 2. If it's not enough, we'll make another one. They don't have a stove, so they can't cook rehydrate meal. Therefore, we'll have enough rehydrate meals even if we do this one.
Yeah, but Daniel,
Science,
best case scenario, we can use it for another hike.
Alright, I gotta get this.
It's just mossy cobblestone, man.
Yeah, go over here.
Wait.
It's nice.
First one in the water, what does it feel like? Is it warm or is it cold?
It's refreshing. Oh, it's so mossy!
Oh, Daniel! You're kicking up all the moss! Oh no! It's slime! Dude! What? This is... Okay, come over here. It's just slime. What do you mean?
So gross.
Actually... Oh! Yeah. Holy crap! No! That's the best! The best! Yeah? Oh my god! Where did you get out, boy?
I jumped in on a lobster.
You wore your thongs in? Yeah, where's your thongs out?
Where's your socks out?
No clue.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low.